We really do our best to wow the customer, to go beyond just what they expect. We try to give that unexpected extra thing, whether it's moving Christmas ornaments down from the house, moving heavy furniture, doing something extra. We really appreciate our clientele, and we understand that a lot of them, for instance, don't get in the crawl space much. So if there's something down there not related to air conditioning that needs to happen, we'll take care of it.
We try to give a good overall checkup on the plumbing. If somebody's comfortable with us going into their crawl space, we're happy to get throughout the house and make sure that everything's working smoothly. Anything we notice, we're always going to give options up front. There's never going to be any surprises with what we do. You're going to know exactly what it will cost for any work you do decide to do with us.
The most important thing about any system is the installation, and I know that my guys do the best job. I wouldn't hesitate to have any of them in my house without me being there. Our guys are really good, and we background check, we drug test, but that's not even something we really have to do because we know our guys. When they enter a customer's home, they treat it just like a castle, whether it be a 900 square foot house or whether it be a 5,000 square foot house. It doesn't matter to us. We treat everybody's house the same.
We are empowered to make decisions in the field. It takes the world off our shoulders that we know we always do the right thing. We say what we mean and we mean what we say. And they empower us to make a decision. And I know that decision will be backed up. Whether right, wrong, or indifferent, we can learn from that. But I know the office has got my back.
Exceeding the expectations to me means many things. Not just doing your job, but taking that customer through the job that you finished. Letting them see the finished product. A lot of them, they don't know, how things work. But bringing them through there, just showing them, hey, this is what we did. This is what's going to be best for you. They're not used to that in the construction field. A lot of companies, they're in and out. And, okay, the job is done, and a lot of times the customer questions, is it done right? What did they do? So for us, going above and beyond just the scope of work is how we wow our customers. A lot of them are not used to that unless they've been with Corley for quite a while. And that's another part of our main focus is going above and beyond and getting them involved in the process.